like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, I am Disha. Welcome to my channel DV Craft. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to make pom pom balls. So let's get started. First we will need a wooden plate which is 10 by 10 semi and some woolen threads. Let's take yellow thread and wrap it around wooden plate 12 times. Let's keep it aside. Now take pink thread and again wrap it 12 times. Again take yellow thread and wrap it around 12 times. Again take pink thread. Now cut both the threads. Now I will take yellow color thread now remove this slowly. The threads are being removed. Now tie it from between. It should be tied tightly. Now cut this thread. Now let's cut it from middle like this way. It will look like this way. Now let's trim the edges. Slowly trim the edge. Same way, trim all the sides. It will look like this way. Let's trim it a little bit more. The pom pom ball is ready. These are some pom pom balls with different color. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.